out.
Hey, I need to be able to see or somebody got me now.
You're good. Keep going
Go
straight.
to your right a little bit.
Oh.
I'm out with a white car and a lady in a red coat. She's standing on top of us right here at the ramp. It looks like she's got a kid. Hold on. We're coming. Hey,
We're coming for you.
What we tell you? Hey, let me get back there and get her.
You gonna get her?
Yep. How much further can I go?
Come on. Come on a little bit more. Come on. All right, whoa. You can set it right down on that hood.
Oh, hold on, ma'am. He's gonna come out. All right, guys. This is Robinson Street right here at the MLK exit. You see, we got the fire department blocking off the roadway. We are currently trying to rescue this woman. Her car got stalled out. She got caught up in the flood. She has her child with her.
Driver left about an hour and a half ago.
Oh, come on, sweetie. Oh,
It's okay.
come here.
It's
Hey,
okay.
cutie.
It's okay.
Hey, hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Look, guys, I just made a new friend. Hey, cutie. No. Again, guys, we encourage everybody, please stay home and stay safe. Come on, buddy.
We're in.
All right, guys. They are safely out of the vehicle, safely out of their vehicle.